So this is a video to review the DJI Mavic Pro landing gear set. It's a nice little presentation box here. Comes with 3 pieces, 3 different colors: gold, white and grey. This is grey. This is done by Sunny Life. Tricky to get out the box. Left there. This is right. A couple of stickers here, just for the bottom there, I'm sure. Alright, let's put it on the Mavic. This is just very simple, just clips on the back here. This does come with no instructions, but you can see just how easy it's all meant to work. It's very nice, very solid, clips in nice. And then at the front here, so this is the right. This is the left. Just slides on, very solid. This one's very solid too. Give some extra height to your Mavic for when you're flying in some areas where you might get some updraft there. You might want to keep it off the grass. You might want to keep it off of stone. Any kind of loose debris that goes up into the motors, you want to keep away from it. This is a real nice simple feature, less than $10, and it goes to preserve your Mavic. It's a pretty cool purchase.